Meet the Roborock Saros 10R, an ultra-slim, AI-powered robot vacuum that glides under furniture and cleans with precision. With smart mapping and automated cleaning, it delivers powerful, effortless, hands-free home cleaning in every corner. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Roborock Saros 10R. Self-empty dock. Dock base. Vacuum mop. Power cord. Dust bag. And user manual. How to pair. Download and log into the Roborock app. Press and hold both the power and dock buttons until you hear a voice alert. Tap Add Device in the app, then select Scan to Connect. Scan the QR code on the robot and it will start connecting to Wi-Fi. Tap Save Map, then choose Quick Mapping. The robot will start from the dock, map your home, and return when complete. During first use, run it twice in vacuum-only mode for best results. How to use? The Saros 10R dock requires extra space to lift the water tank. Before starting, remove the protective film from the dock and plug in the power cord. Install the dock base and attach the mop pads. Press and hold the power button, then press the dock button to send the robot back to the dock. Remove the water tank, fill it with clean water, and close it tightly. Open the dustbin cover, remove the cleaning solution storage box, add floor cleaner, and reinstall it properly. Maintenance. When the dirty water tank is full, empty it and clean it, then close it tightly. Remove the water tank, fill it with clean water, and secure it properly. When the dust bag is full, replace it and wipe the filter, ensuring proper installation. Remove the cleaning tank, detach the cleaning ribs and filter, rinse them clean, and wipe them dry before reinstalling. Use a dry, soft cloth to clean the charging contacts and dock location beacon, then wipe the dock base. Press the dock button to send the robot back to the dock. Remove the top cover and take out the dustbin. Open the filter cover and remove the washable filter. Do not use a brush or your fingers to clean it. Air dry completely before reinstalling. Turn the robot over, remove the main brush cover, and take out the main brushes. Reinstall the main brushes, ensuring correct alignment, then secure the main brush cover and make sure the clips are fully seated. Clean the side brush and the omnidirectional wheel. Air dry and reinstall them properly. Finally, wipe the main wheels clean. Smart features? The ultra-slim design allows the Roborock Saros 10R to easily clean under low furniture and hard-to-reach spaces. Its compact body ensures smooth navigation while maintaining powerful cleaning performance. The advanced AI navigation system uses smart sensors and 3D mapping to accurately detect obstacles and create efficient cleaning paths. It ensures precise movement around furniture while adapting to your home layout for smarter cleaning. The strong suction power delivers powerful vacuum performance to effectively remove dust, debris, and pet hair from various floor types. It ensures deep and consistent cleaning for a fresher and more hygienic home environment. The dual mopping system allows simultaneous vacuuming and mopping for a more efficient and thorough clean. It ensures deeper stain removal and leaves floors evenly cleaned with less effort. The all-in-one smart dock automatically empties dust, washes mop pads, refills water, and dries the mops for full maintenance automation. It provides a truly hands-free cleaning experience, keeping the robot ready for its next job. The self-learning cleaning route system analyzes your home layout and improves cleaning paths over time for better efficiency. It adapts to usage patterns to deliver faster, smarter, and more optimized cleaning results. The app and voice control feature lets you manage cleaning schedules, modes, and settings directly from the Roborock app or voice assistants. It provides hands-free convenience, allowing you to control the robot anytime, anywhere. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Roborock Saros 10R from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Roborock Saros 10R. See you at the next one.